Hi, and welcome to Everyday Speech. We are so excited for you to dive in and explore the curriculum. If you're new to Everyday Speech, think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for teaching social, communication, and behavioral skills. You'll have access to thousands of high-quality videos, games, and activities tailored to a wide variety of skills, ages, and ability levels. Our goal is for you to spend less time prepping and more time teaching. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to log in and give you a quick tour of the curriculum. By the end, you'll be ready to jump in and start using Everyday Speech with your students. It's that easy. Let's get started by getting you logged in. If you're brand new to Everyday Speech, you should have received a welcome email with login instructions. It looks like this. If you can't find the email, you can also head directly to our website, slp.everydayspeech.com/login, enter your district email address, and you'll be prompted to set a password. Now let's hop into the curriculum. When you log in, you can view our materials by clicking Curriculum in the blue navigation bar. Here you'll find mindfulness materials, materials for Tier 2 and 3 interventions, and whole class CASEL-aligned lessons for Tier 1. Let's start with mindfulness materials at the top. First, you can select the grade level you work with. I'll choose elementary school. And here you'll find a variety of resources to help students develop self-regulation skills. We have videos on breathing exercises, stretching, yoga, meditation, and movement, perfect for transitions or as a calming way to start your sessions. In some of our videos, like this one, you'll even see our student actors modeling those self-regulation skills for you. Below our mindfulness materials, you'll find our intervention materials. These are a go-to for special education teachers, social workers, counselors, and other specialists, but Gen Ed teachers find them super helpful for small groups too. You can easily filter by grade band to find materials that fit your students. Each grade band focuses on 7 to 10 key skills, giving you plenty of flexibility to meet your students where they are. Just pick a skill you're already working on and you're good to go. For example, let's say I'm a special education teacher looking for self-regulation materials for my elementary small group. I'd select elementary, I'd find the skill self-regulation, and from there, I can see specific goals like managing stress and executive functioning. At the top, you'll find our scope and sequence, which gives you a big picture view of all of the skills in the curriculum, plus how each one aligns with the CASEL competencies. Once you click into a goal, I'll choose executive functioning. You'll see our units. You can start with Unit 1, which will have an emergent tag, or if your students already have some of those prerequisite skills, you can jump into our intermediate or advanced units. Now let's say my small group is at an emergent level. I can open up Unit 2, Emergent, where I'll find a mix of videos, interactive games, and worksheets. Each lesson is flexible and can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, depending on what works best for you and your students. Let's jump into this video here. I always suggest starting off with a video. Video modeling is at the core of Everyday Speech. It gives students a chance to see real actors navigating real-life situations. Each video starts off with an animated intro to introduce the skill, followed by a live action scenario with our actors.
10 more minutes left to finish up your book reports and turn them in, and then we'll head to lunch.
Oh no, I have so much of this book report left to work on. I'm never gonna finish it on time.
We make sure to highlight not just what's happening on the surface, but also the inner dialogue, the self-talk, and the thoughts and feelings of those involved. To make your lessons as easy as possible, we provide everything you need over here on the left. You'll find a quick quiz to check for understanding, as well as discussion prompts and role-playing activities. If you have extra time after the video, you can dive into the next activity or game to reinforce the skill, or you can save it for your next session. Within each goal, you'll find a few more helpful resources. At the top, you'll find our learning standards. And next to that, you'll find our teaching tools, like classroom posters and visuals to reinforce the concepts they're learning. You'll also find some data resources down at the bottom, like our IEP goal bank and data tracking worksheets. No matter the grade level, our lessons follow the same predictable structure, making it easy to jump in at any time. For those of you at the secondary level, our videos will feature middle and high school actors like this one from our self-advocacy goal. And for those of you who teach pre-K and K students, you'll see younger students as well as our beloved plant characters. You'll also find fun interactive games that build social skills, Perfect for building rapport, adding to your Fun Friday lineup, or giving students a quick brain break. You'll also find interactive activities that reinforce what students learn in our videos and can easily be displayed on a smartboard or laptop for more hands-on engagement. Now let's jump into our Tier 1 whole class lessons. Just like before, you can select the grade level that you work with, and then you can view all of our content. These materials are perfect for teachers looking to integrate social-emotional skills into their everyday classroom routines or specialists who are leading social skills initiatives. This is a week-by-week CASEL-aligned curriculum, so within each grade level, you'll have just the right amount of content to progress through the entire school year. Each grade level will be made up of 5 units aligned with those 5 CASEL competencies. Each year, these skills will build upon each other, and you can see a full roadmap of those skills in the scope and sequence at the very top. When you click into a unit, you'll find a unit summary at the top. This is a great resource to share with families. And then next to that, you'll find our school-wide bulletin board. Within each unit, you'll also find a pre-assessment and a post-assessment to help you monitor progress. When you click into a lesson, you'll find teacher tools including a lesson plan, guiding question, learning standards, and key terms. And clicking Lesson for Students will take you to your content for the week. Each lesson will be broken up into bite-sized segments. Split this up into 5 mini lessons throughout the week or combine them into one longer lesson. In our warm-up, you'll find a mindfulness video like this one. And after that, you'll find a mix of videos, games, and activities. Maybe a discussion prompt, a think, pair, share, or an independent journal prompt. Pick and choose materials that align with your schedule and your students' needs. Here's a glimpse of one of our videos within our self-awareness unit.
Why aren't you doing your practice sheet?
Because there's no point.
What do you mean?
I'm horrible at math. I'll never be good at it.
Dante has a fixed mindset. He believes that he's bad at math, so there's nothing.
Now, if you love our materials and want to share them with students to access on their own, click Send Homework at the very bottom. Just follow the instructions on the right-hand side, and this will give you a shareable link you can input into your email, Google Classroom, or Canvas. While the structure of our Tier 1 materials is super easy to follow, if you find yourself needing a specific resource, you can always use our search bar at the very top to find relevant content across all 3 tiers. Throughout your subscription term, you'll have access to all the videos, games, and activities we have to offer, plus our suite of features designed to make planning and tracking student progress easier. Head to My Toolkit in the blue navigation bar at the top to explore these features, or visit our teacher training page at the very bottom to learn how to use these features. Everyday Speech is here to make teaching social, behavioral, and communication skills easier. Whether you're following our structured week-by-week lessons or using targeted interventions, we've got everything you need to support your students at every level. Enjoy exploring the curriculum, and if you ever have any questions, our team is here to help.